Hi everyone, Vince here. Welcome to my Cointiply review. I hope you enjoy. Let's kick this off. Cointiply is a money-making application that will allow you to earn free cryptocurrency straight from your mobile phone. Now, at the time of this recording, Cointiply has a 4.5 rating with 26,000 reviews and over 500,000 downloads. It's been a long time since I've checked out Cointiply, so it's time to find out if it's still paying its players or not. What you're looking at right now is the Cointiply home screen. So as you can see, we have various different offer walls and tasks that we can complete to earn coins. Now you might be thinking, what exactly do the coins do? Well, the coins are the in-app currency. I only have 642 coins. To give you some sort of perspective, 10,000 coins roughly equals $1 worth of USD currency. There are different tabs on Cointiply as well at the top of the screen. We have the top offers tab, which we're on right now. We then have the surveys tab, which shows all the different surveys that we can complete to earn cryptocurrency. We have the free daily coin section. This is where Cointiply will literally give us free coins for using their application or completing specific tasks. And then we have the offer wall tab, which is essentially the same as the survey tab, with most of these tasks generating up to 50,000 coins per the offers within them. Just look at Offertoro right now. They're offering up to 150,000 coins, and same with AdGem. Now in the top left corner of the screen, you're going to find the actual menu button. This will allow you to see pretty much all of the options on Cointiply to earn and withdraw your money. Now this is the cash out page on Cointiply. As you can see, we have 4 different methods that we're allowed to withdraw from on Cointiply. First one being Bitcoin, second being Dogecoin, third being Litecoin, and the fourth being Dash. You also notice at the top of the screen there, it says the total amount of coins I have, the worth of Bitcoin for those coins, and the USD currency conversion of those coins as well. This kind of system makes it very simple to see what your actual balance is. Not only that though, there is an interest system as well here where you can earn 5% of your annual interest if you enable interest in the settings, but you do need to keep a balance of at least 35,000 coins, which represents roughly $3.50 worth of USD. So far, I've managed to earn 894 coins completely for free, which is really roughly about 10 cents. But that's because I didn't leave that much of a balance in my Cointiply account. Now this page is going to tell us all about the minimum withdrawal limit on Cointiply. For Bitcoin, it is 50,000 coins needed, which is $5 USD. And for Doge, it's 30,000 coins, which is $3 USD. There are no withdrawal fees for Bitcoin, Doge, Dashcoin, or Litecoin withdrawals. So that's pretty cool. If you guys don't have a wallet either, you can get one from the page here where it says you can either join Coinbase or some other of the options that they offer up, as you can see. Now, I prefer Coinbase personally, but that's up to you. They're claiming that cash outs take between 24 hours and 72 hours, which we'll be testing today. Cointiply also does have a fairly interesting pay-to-click area where they'll pay you real-life money just for clicking on advertisements and watching or viewing the web page for a certain amount of time. I personally don't think that this is worth your time at all, but the choice is yours and the option is there. For example, if we tap on this ad here and watch it for 30 seconds, we will get 25 coins as a reward, which is really nothing in the grand scheme of things. You can also chat to earn coins on Cointiply, which I don't really care about too much either. I mean, personally, I don't think you can really earn too much from the chat room, but again, the option is there. Now, heading over to the daily free coin section, I'm going to be tapping on the free coin spin area to see if I can get some free coins. Apparently, all I need to do is spin to win free coins daily, roll 99,999 to win the jackpot. Earn a loyalty bonus up to 100% for every consecutive day you spin. The more times you check in daily, the more you actually earn from the free coin section. So let's claim my free coins now. So this is the actual spin page. Now I'm going to tap roll and win free coins. And now we're rolling. Come on. Oh, okay. I won 24 coins. So really not that much at all. So this is the quest area of Cointiply. Now this is fairly new to me. From what I can see, the more tasks and offers or other type of actual objectives that I complete on Cointiply, they will give me free coins. Now as you can see, it just keeps on going down and down and down for more values of coins, which is actually fairly cool. So it looks like Cointiply is really trying to expand their reach with new things to do on their platform. So I'm going to claim my reward right now for collecting my free daily coins. And there we go, quest claimed successfully, your bonus coins have been awarded. Now next we have the Playtime rewards area. This will allow you to earn cryptocurrency just for playing games. Sadly in my country, Cointiply is claiming that I cannot actually use this feature, so that is a bit of a disappointment. Let me just show you the CPX research area. So what you're looking at on the screen right now are surveys that I can complete in my country, and as you can see, I have a survey right here that is paying up to 74 cents for me to complete it. Scrolling down a bit further, I have one there that's almost paying me $1 to complete it. A few more high paying ones here as well, which is pretty cool, I guess. I mean, roughly most of these surveys are going to pay me about $1 or so. I just found one that's going to pay me roughly $1.30. The only problem is, depending on your country, your offers, surveys, and even the games you play will reward you different. So this is something to always keep in mind, guys. There are massive price differences related to country. Here is the AdGate offer wall, and as you can see, you have some fairly high-paying offers that you can complete to earn these coins. There is a Vegas casino slots app here. If I complete that, I'd roughly get around $81 or so if I'm correct, which is pretty nice. But looking at the actual offer itself, you can see that it's a multi-tiered offer, so I wouldn't get all those coins at once. I would have to complete certain levels to activate each branch of the offer. So essentially each area is going to pay me a different amount of coins, and the best paying ones are all the way at the end, which are usually the hardest parts to ever achieve. As you can see, bottom of the screen it says earn 1 million coins, which roughly equals $100 USD, but the chances of you actually getting to that stage will be very, very low. So now it's time to see if Cointiply is actually going to pay us or not. Well everyone, I cashed out roughly $8 or so worth of USD currency to my Bitcoin Coinbase wallet, and I'm very happy to say within 24 hours I was paid. So thankfully at the time of this recording, Cointiply is 100% legit. If you guys want to join Cointiply, you're more than welcome to do so through my link in the description below. There is a referral system where you can earn up to 25% of the people's earnings that you refer completely for free without affecting them. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow for another review.